live your life matters more than you think, because it's not just an example, it's a lesson. There are people watching you who may never read the Bible, who may never step into a church, who may never fully understand who God is, but they're watching you. How you speak, how you treat people, how you respond when life gets hard. That becomes their understanding of faith. When you choose patience instead of anger, that's a lesson. When you forgive when it's undeserved, that's a lesson. When you stay honest when it costs you something, that's a lesson. When you stay strong when everything is falling apart, that's a lesson. You may never stand on a stage, you may never preach a sermon, but every day you are teaching something. So live it. Not perfect, but real. Not fake, but faithful. Because one day, you might be standing in heaven and someone you've never met walks up to you and says, "I watched how you lived. I saw something different in you. You made me believe there was more. You're the reason I turned my life over to Christ. You're the reason I'm here." And in that moment, you'll realize your life wasn't just yours. It was the lesson someone else needed.